To all you aimless wanderers, wide-eyed explorers, and spontaneous adventurers who could benefit from a little organizational support, we introduce the Breaker One bag. The bag that's weirdly obsessed with organizing your stuff. So while you're getting lost here, your bag's working hard to keep the water out. While wandering aimlessly here, your bag's keeping you hydrated in more ways than one. While you're getting the shot here, your bag's keeping an eye on your tripod and lenses there. When your bag's this obsessed about organization, you don't have to be. Through 20 meticulously designed pockets and compartments, with the Breaker One bag, there's a place for everything, and everything is always in its place. So there's a place for this or this. There's a place for this, this, and this. You can store this here and that there, or both of them in here. This can go here or here. That should go there. Then put this here. Oh, and that in this. So while you're out exploring, jumping, doing this, that, this, going up here, down there, over there, and doing everything else you love to do with your life, we're doing what we love, endlessly obsessing over what makes a perfect travel bag. The Breaker One bag, the bag that's weirdly obsessed with organizing all your stuff.
We believe that you can generate your best look and regenerate the earth. So we created a beautiful, handmade, premium leather handbag that is 100% traceable from animal welfare approved leather and crafted with a timeless elegance. A bag that you can wear anywhere and with anything. But in doing this, we end up creating so much more than a premium handbag, because what we stumbled upon was a farm to fashion revolution and created a whole disruptive business model that redefines the fashion industry. In short, we made the first ever leather handbag that is beautiful, durable, 100% traceable from certified animal welfare approved farms that use regenerative farming to heal our earth. And here's how we did it. That's me. I'm Jacqueline. Before I started farming, I studied design, and I have spent a long time learning about the global leather industry. My love of agriculture led me to figure out innovative ways to ensure we utilize the entire animal from food to fiber, allowing nothing to be wasted. This sent me on a long journey into the heart of the fashion world, and for the past 3 years, I've been piecing together a closed-loop leather supply chain that is solely based in the United States. Our leather is grown on small, independent, and regenerative sheep farms in the Midwest. These farms mimic nature to conserve and build healthy soil. In essence, our farmers work to balance our carbon cycle and to help mitigate climate change. And we've partnered with an experienced family-owned artisan tannery in the U.S. that prides itself on preserving tradition and history. Our leather is beautiful, soft, and natural, with a full grain look that will develop a rich patina over time. Our U.S. handbag factory supplies some of the top premium brands in the world. You'll see the high quality craftsmanship and the clean finished edges and the precision in every detail. We've combined our regenerative farming expertise with amazing artisans to make the most beautiful handbags you've ever seen and the most sustainable bag you'll ever wear.
Time is the greatest human equalizer. It is constant, unstoppable. Time is guaranteed, but not promised. Each of us measures our lives, our comings and our goings, our hopes and our dreams by this universal scale. The question is, what will you do with your time? For us, we've used our time to create watches we love in order to help people around the world. That's why we're proud to introduce the Crux Sojourner line. Whether in the office or out on the town, at the trailhead or the mountaintop, the Sojourner is truly a watch meant to go with you wherever life takes you. Crux is for the ones who aspire to make the most of their time. We do this through creating high-quality watches, providing excellent customer care, and communicating the most hopeful and adventurous stories of our time. As a Crux customer, you become part of our purpose to share the message and the means of hope. The message is simple: people matter. At Crux, we've always said, time for change, and we mean it. Every year, Crux gives 50% of profits to nonprofit organizations doing good for people all over the world. Created for simplicity and style, designed for quality and durability. The Crux Sojourner is crafted with a solid stainless steel case, protected by hardened mineral crystal, and powered by an ultra-reliable Myota quartz movement. Crux offers versatility and customization with the click of a quick-release pin, transitioning effortlessly for total control of your look. Each timepiece features a minimalist yet classic face design, with tastefully bold numerals, a date complication, a 60-second subdial, and water resistance up to 5 atmospheres. Thanks for checking us out here on Kickstarter. Please take a look at the backer levels on your screen. We trust you'll find a watch you'll love. We look forward to partnering with you to bring the Crux Sojourner line to life.
As designers ourselves, we understand the struggles of a traditional keyboard. That's why we set out to find a solution. After much brainstorming and product design, we finally came up with this, the Deluxe Designer, a specialized keyboard with mechanical switches, crafted out of aluminum with a premium finish. The Deluxe Designer is customizable keyboard, makes designing a breeze. It's the perfect tool to assist any designer.
This product is truly amazing. With it, I can set up my own shortcuts to whatever I want. So when I have multiple projects going on at the same time and I need to do different tasks for all the different projects, I can set up command sequences and with a single push of a button, it does it for me, saving me so much more time now. So especially when I'm doing repetitive work, the Deluxe Designer is a lifesaver.
The Deluxe Designer comes with a multi-function dial. It is compatible with 9 major design softwares, and this dial makes design easy. Seamlessly zoom in and out, choose between colors, switch pages, and focus in and on different elements with the Deluxe Designer.
What the dial can do is remarkable. I can do so much without to have to lift my hand out of the keyboard. I can use it to scroll up, down, zoom in, zoom out, switch between layers, change colors, almost anything. It has really made the design process a lot easier.
The Deluxe Designer is also compatible with Wacom, making it extremely convenient when drawing. Seamlessly change paintbrush sizes or switch from pen to eraser. Designing has never been easy. We know designers everywhere are in need of a single tool that can streamline work and boost work efficiency. We love the Deluxe Designer and we know you will too. Help us bring this project to life.
Meet the Bandicoot, a single chassis, quad optic, lightweight, fully adjustable, USB rechargeable, silicon headlamp. Headlamps, or head torches, are usually fabric straps, buckles and bulky bits. The Bandicoot is designed differently, so there's no more bouncing around, fiddling with yourself, blinding others, waking others, wearing out, and looking
The advantage of using the silicone in the Bandicoot is it allows you to merge the strap with the housing in the one material, and therefore doing so makes it more streamlined and less bulky.
I guess the trick with silicone is just what you can do with it. It's more versatile, it's more comfortable, it's less obtrusive. The overmolding allows us to house the LEDs and battery in one chassis, but without the bulk and oversimplified optics of traditional headlamps. And it doesn't tangle your hair. It's not like a rubber band. It's waterproof, it's easy to clean, and this makes it ideal for
running, hiking, climbing, fixing, camping, beer ponging, searching, reading, sleeping, and
So Mel and I have been in business now for 25 years together, and that's a design company, Catalyst Design. The last 15 we've been working at NOG and developing products for the bike industry. We have a team of designers, dedicated people who are looking at the latest technologies and involved in trying to develop a whole range of really innovative products.
And we saw a great opportunity to take all of that experience and step into the new world of outdoor products. We welcome the Bandicoot.
Launching a product on Kickstarter for us is a great way to be able to evaluate how the market's going to work, and we hope you're going to come and back it.